As expected, after a change in leadership, a reshuffle of committee assignments and heads was implemented, with some of the lawmakers who resigned from their previous posts being transferred to a new designation. Thus begins the long and arduous task of healing wounds and mending damaged ties with fervent hope to reunite and move forward as one united upper chamber working for the good of the Filipino people. Daniel Manalastas tells us more.
Sa lahat po ng naniwala, nagtiwala, at inihiling ko po ang inyong paumanhin kung may naabala man kami, kung may nasaktan man po kami, kung meron man po kami naapakan ng mga paa, sana tanggapin niyo aking buong pagpapakumbabang paghingi ng tawad at sisikapin po namin na gawin lahat po ng aming makakaya para hindi man mahigitan, mapantayan man lang namin ang nagawa at nakamit ng mga nagdaang tagapangulo ng Senado at ng bagong liderato ng Senado sa ngayon.
This is one of Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero's message before the adjournment of the Senate session. Today is the 4th day of his Senate presidency. What are the expectations on his leadership?
Ang tingin ko sa sarili ko, imbis na leader ay tulay. Para mapag-abot ang magkaiba tila hindi nagtutugma ng mga pananaw, opinyon at pangailangan. Ang trabaho para sa akin ng bawat leader, matulay at maitawid yun.
For now, there are some leadership changes in a number of committee chairs, like the Justice, Finance, Sustainable Goals, and Energy committees, plus the committee chairmanships in Tourism, Urban Planning, Ethics, and Public Services. Meanwhile, former Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri will head the Economic Affairs Committee. Escudero said he is set to talk with House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Para mapag-usapan, una sa lahat, ang relasyon ng Kamara at ng Senado na sana maayos, wala nang palitan ng maanghang na salita. Doon muna siguro kami magsisimula bago namin pag-usapan yung ibang mga bagay pa. Call a spade a spade. Number one, call a spade a spade. Meaning, ano ba talaga gusto? Yun na lang yung tanongin natin. Pangalawa, dapat hindi maapektuhan sa kung anumang hugis, kulay o itsura ang kasalukuyang mga kapangyarihan at prerogative ng Senado.
While on the controversial divorce bill,
ang posisyon ko kaugnay ng divorce ay conscience at personal vote to. Walang party, walang majority or minority stand dito. Personal na desisyon base sa kanilang paniniwala at relihiyon ang mangyayari dyan sa kada senador. At bilang tagapangulo ng Senado, wala akong balak dumiin, pabor o kontra dito.
how about the pending investigation on the alleged gentleman's agreement by the Duterte administration with China?
Kay Senator Amy kung mag-hearing siya dyan, pero para sa akin, sino imbitahan mo? Secret nga eh.
Escudero assured the Senate will never be a rubber stamp. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.